Hello everybody, I'm back. Christmas Day. Felt like we're gonna open one of these. Spectator select 24 NASCAR cards. I've opened these here, really fun to open. Guaranteed a memorabilia card or autograph. I've always gotten a memorabilia card for some reason. So it is really funny. It's really just really fun. I never had an autograph. I'm gonna start with this pack. I like to really just go for the middle because, bro, I just text one of my friends Merry Christmas. I got an iPhone 14. Yeah, 14. It broke God tape measure for Christmas. We got Coil of Joy. The hit is in this one. I see. Oh, it. Hold up, I'll be right back. Dad?
What? Where'd you pull?
First pack. I'll let you do the value on that. Be right back. Sorry about that. I'm gonna let my dad go use it to see the value of that. I think that might be worth a lot. It's a Jimmy John. It's a Jimmy Jam. I like to call it Jimmy Jam. So yeah, now there's our memorabilia card, but there's still other good. There's other stuff that I cannot speak today. That might come out of this. Oh! You got a Rainbow Kevin Harvick. That's actually really awesome. I mean, who doesn't like Kevin Harvick? We got another box, but that'll be for a separate video. Russia Stain. I did not know. Del Waltrip. Sammy Smith Hollow. No. Rusty Wallace Hollow. Nice pull. I pulled a jersey piece. Jeff Gordon or Jimmy Jan. I think that might be worth a lot, guys. Seven. We came back with the price $7 card, sadly. Still really cool card though. Tony Stewart. We have like an extreme hollow. Sensation. I'll be right back. I've never seen this type of card. Dad, this card might be worth a lot.
Let me see. You got another tip?
No, it's not for the card itself. It's for the back.
It's card number 1.
Yeah,
Oh, that doesn't mean much.
I just want to show you that. Sorry about that. I just want to ask my dad what it is. It's nothing, but I pulled the number 1 first card ever made. That's a number. It's, you know how Pokemon goes. You know how that goes. And the number 1 card, and if I pull the number 2, that'll be weird. Okay, just Brandon Jones. I'm kind of liking now. Richard Betty. Cold Duster. I like to call him Cold Duster. Dude, I'm opening this from the back. We have an 25 out of 39 Kyle Larson. I don't know what card this could be, but this could be jackpot. And here looks hollow. Oh. I'm gonna be right back again.
Monster. You forgot your stocking.
You got a stocking too. Kyle Larson out of 40.
Parker.
He's doing a video right here.
Oh.
Sorry, I have to do okay with the chat. Well, that was actually it. It only comes with 6 or it comes with 6 packs. It's not that bad. But the biggest hit of tonight is this. Well, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!